Okay,
Wait, how's there poop on his back?
There's poop on his back?
To be here.
Where?
Well, I mean, poop stains on his back.
Oh my god, he took the nastiest shit today. I swear, like, it smelled at my room until, like...
He literally has poop all over his back.
1 moment, please.
I was wondering when I picked him up why I felt this crusty feeling. Because I was holding him from his back.
That's disgusting.
Did that explain it?
What's going on?
Do you see this?
Wee woo, oil alert, oil alert,
Oh my god! I'm gonna wash my hands.
I'm gonna wash my hands too. Did you guys see his black? That's why it smelled so bad! Oh god, it's probably all over my room. His butt is,
Okay, straight up guys, there's like a poop tornado down there.
I touched it and it was